Okay, so what I found out, let me try and get this in a better angle. What I found out is that, so you unscrew this piece right here, right? I screwed it in pretty tight. There you go. So you unscrew this piece right here by pressing down this button, and you unscrew it, and then you can change the tips. You can change the pieces to any of the pieces in the box. And then you unscrew this piece here, which was right there, to place the guard. This guard is to protect your face from any of the debris that is flying out. And then you screw this back in with the tip of your choice. Absolutely. And just as a test here, I will show you guys. This is the first speed. It goes a lot faster. It goes up to really, really high speeds. But for now, we're going to start with one. I have this plastic CPU bottle, and I can show you guys how it works. Protection. Eye protection always. As you can see, it instantly blew a hole through plastic, right? This is the first speed. Try the second speed. Okay, this is not the safest.
I've had this thing for about 2 going on 3 years, and it's still chugging along. Don't mind all the red polishing compound. I just polished my bracelet, not with this. I had the, where is it? With a little buffing wheel on. But, you know, it comes with a lot of little different attachments and all this little, I'm not even sure what this stuff looks like. The same type of compound that I polished my bracelet with, but some sanding discs. But I mainly just use the stuff in here. I have a whole bunch of different attachments in here. But it also has the flexible cord. I can put this. It has a flexible cord, so you can get into intricate places or be more, I guess, mobile with it or comfortable with it versus holding the actual machine. So yeah, man, if you're thinking about getting one of these, go ahead and cop one. They're perfect. It's been chugging along and, you know, works flawlessly.
It's worked great for months, but now the inside has fallen apart. Springs fell out, it's all jumbled around there. I don't know how to get back together. So, that part was just falling out. Awesome, can't use it anymore.